Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about rank, dense rank and row number. So you can see I have installed IntelliJ on my machine, and this is the configuration, and this is the data. Okay, and I have created a data frame and a temp view also, and this is the df for DSL, and this is the temp view std table for SQL. So let me run this one. You can see this is the table. Okay, and in this table you can see the name and marks, and we are going to use rank, dense rank and row number. First we are going to show uh, how to do it SQL and how to do it in DSL. Okay, so let's first start in SQL. We have already created TempView std, Spark SQL, and then we need to write the query. Select what we need to select: name and marks, and we need to use first rank. Okay, this is the rank function. Over, we'll use over, and inside the over we'll use order by marks. Okay, as rank from std, and then here we'll use show. So let me show this one. Select name, marks, rank and over, order by marks. Okay, and here you can use ascending or descending. Order by marks as rank from std. So let me run this one. You can see this is a ascending order, and this is the rank. Here you can see David 70, Bob and Katie 80. So in the rank he has given the for descending order. Okay, so let me mark as descending. Let me use descending, and let me run again. Okay, so order by marks, mark descending DESC. Okay, you can see descending order. You can see Elise, the rank 1, and Bob and Katie rank 2, and David it's a rank 4. So in rank there's a skipped. Okay, it should be 3, but it is 4. Okay, so let me show you how to use dense rank. Okay, so again spark.sql, and then again select name and marks. Okay, and we are going to use dense rank over order by marks, DESC descending. Okay, as DE and dense rank from std. Okay, and here we are going to use show. So here let me confirm once more time. Select name, marks, dense rank over order by marks, descending as dense rank from std. So let me run this one. there's something mistake. What is the mistake? Select name. Okay, I missed this comma. You can see this is a dense rank, and in dense rank you can see the Alice is 90, Bob and Katie is 2 and David is 7, but here in rank it was 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 1 2 4. So 3 was skipped here in dense rank. 1 2 3 3 was not skipped. Okay, so now we are going to use the row number. Okay, so let me use spark .sql, and here uh, let me use again select name marks. Okay, name comma marks comma row number over order by marks as descending as row underscore number from std. Okay, and then here we are going to use so. Let me confirm once more time. Select name marks row number order by marks as descending uh, as row number. Okay, so you will see there will be, you can see Alice, Bob, Katie and David 1 to T4. This row number has been given here. Okay, and here in dense rank rank is given, and here also rank is given, but it is script. Okay, number 3 is script in dense rank, and in dense rank it is not script. So in DSL, how to do that? So we have a df. Okay, so df we are going to use with column, and first we are going to going to play with rank. So rank, and then we are going to use rank function, and then we are going to use rank over. Okay, and inside over we're going to use window, and then order by we're going to use marks. Okay, marks as descending uh, order by marks dot order by marks window dot order by here is something mistake. Df dot rank over window order by marks dot descending is not coming. Okay, let me try once more. Df with column rank. Okay, and then we're going to use rank function, and in rank we are going to use over, and inside the over we are going to use window. Okay, window dent order by here marks, and here in marks we need to use this this one, and then you can see it's now descending. Okay, and here we are going to use again window function with column dense rank. Okay, and here we are going to use dense rank dot over and then window function, and then here we are going to order by, and here marks. Okay, again we need to give this dollar as descending, and again we are going to use window function dot window with column and then row number. Okay, and then row number and over, and then we're going to use this window and then order by marks, and we are going to use this dollar marks dot descending. Okay, and here we are going to use show. So let me use this as a rank, dense rank and row number. Okay, so let me run this one. Hopefully it is running successfully. You can see the name is Elise, Bob, Katie and David 90. The rank is 1, dense rank 1 and row number. Okay, so you can get this same value in SQL and in DSL also. Okay friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. I have a playlist. The name of the playlist is data engineering. Please watch all the video from that playlist. Thank you.